What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fulfill an order using DSs and AliExpress. After watching this video, you'll have a clear understanding on how to fulfill your orders. I'll also show you how I keep on top of my finances on a daily basis for my dropshipping store. So, let's say you get an order on Shopify and it appears like this. You do not need to click on any buttons here, like Fulfill, Item, or Request Fulfillment. All you're doing on this order page is confirming the customer's details, like their shipping address, making sure they're not a fraudulent customer, and just checking their details. Once you do that, you basically just head over to DSs. Once you're on DSs, you want to navigate down to AliExpress Open Orders. You don't need to search for your order because your orders will just appear here, and you'll order them one by one. But just for this video, I'm just going to search for the order. If you don't see your orders here, it may be because you're on the wrong account on DSs or that you didn't import your products correctly. If you didn't import your products correctly on DSs to Shopify, then when someone places an order for that product, it will not appear on DSs. The second thing you want to do is go on to AliExpress and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, head back to DSs, and you also want to install the DSs Chrome application. Next, you want to click on Order. And once that's appeared, you just want to click Confirm, Confirm. Once you click Confirm, it'll do its thing. You just sit back and watch successfully place one order, and then it'll go into waiting payment. That means you need to head over to AliExpress and then refresh your page, and then your order appears here. So now you just click Pay Now, you pay with your debit card, which has your money on it, and then your supplier will fulfill your order. And once it's fulfilled, which usually takes 1 to 2 days, it'll go to awaiting shipment and awaiting fulfillment and then fulfilled. Now when you press pay and you pay on AliExpress, your order may still sit in awaiting payment. And there's nothing to worry about. It's just that the API from DSs to AliExpress is very slow, and the system just hasn't updated yet. And that, guys, is how you fulfill an order using DSs. Very quick and very simple. It's literally like 1, 2, 3 clicks. And now, what I usually do is, when I click Pay Now, I find out the cost, so 41.52. Click Pay Now, and then I go onto my Excel spreadsheet. Now, this is a template that I've been working on. Basically, it's just a finance template that you guys can use to track your cash flow, your finances, expenses, and everything to do with your business. And so what I'll do, I'll put my order ID here, country, date, which is today, day, and then my revenue. Let's just say it was £100. My fee is automatically worked out based on what Shopify and PayPal charge on an average basis, so I put 0.04 because PayPal does take more. And the cost of goods is what it was on AliExpress, which was like 45.21 or something. You can also see your markup here, and also this updates according to this. So let me delete all my revenue and all the cost of goods. You can see here it updates. If I put £104, you see here, and cost of goods plus fees includes these two here. And then meta ads. Let's just say you spent 20 on ads. And it basically works out. So you spent 20 on ads, you got £100 sales plus £50 to fulfill, and then your profit for that is £33. And also, if you go to your expense tab, you can put all your expenses here. So name your subscription for Shopify, your Facebook ads. Of course, this is just a template, and I'm just entering random numbers, and then it works out your profit margins and your net profit. At the beginning, you're going to be at net loss, but over time, hopefully, after optimizing your creatives, your product pages, you become profitable. And that's basically it with fulfilling orders. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. And peace.